Open the reagent bay and the left canopy door. Clean the reagent bay door and the interior of the reagent bay by wiping down the surfaces with a wipe moistened with a 0.5 to 0.7% sodium hypochlorite solution. Be careful not to put bleach inside the scanner slot. Continue cleaning the reagent shield, the left side of the canopy separator, and the interior side of the left canopy. Do not forget to change your gloves after handling bleach, and wait for 15 minutes for proper decontamination. Rinse all decontaminated surfaces with a wipe moistened with DI water. Dry the surfaces with a clean wipe. Close the canopy and the reagent bay door. Select Next on the screen to advance to the next step of the maintenance.